The fender is heavily rusted.
Yes, and the glass is cracked.
Let's check the chrome. This engine is seized up pretty bad.
Yeah, but we can fix it. Let's check the pistons. The patch is looking good.
Thanks. The wheel is smoothing it nicely.
Yes, keep it steady.
Patch is aligned, ready to tack weld.
Yes, it's flush. Go ahead.
Tacking now.
Looks solid. One more tack. Keep the pressure steady.
Got it. Looks smoother.
Good. Now the next seam.
On it.
The patch is looking good.
Thanks. The wheel is smoothing it nicely.
Yes, keep it steady.
This filler is spreading nicely.
Yes, it's looking very smooth now.
Great. Let's check the edges. Okay, starting the weld.
Right. Move it slow and steady.
Got it. Looks good.
Perfect. Now fill the center.
This filler is flowing perfectly into the cracks.
Yes, the weld looks strong. Keep the torch steady.
Got it.
Keep the pressure steady.
Yes, almost through this rust.
Good. Check the edges now.
On it. Sand this edge first.
Okay. It looks uneven.
Yeah, press harder here.
Got it. Smoother now.
Keep the pressure steady.
Got it. It's looking much better.
This rust is stubborn.
Let's try a circular motion.
Good idea. It's working.
Yes, much better.
This section is almost done.
Yeah, looking much better.
Ready for primer soon. This rust is thick. The sparks are flying.
Yes, but be careful. Don't damage the metal.
I will. How does it look?
Better.
This rust is deep.
Yeah, we need to grind it.
I'll get the sander.
Good. I'll prep the primer.
Hand me that wrench.
Here you go. Is this aligned?
Yes, tighten it now. The engine block is solid.
Good. I'll check the wiring harness.
Hand me that ratchet, please.
Here you go.
The rusted frame is the foundation. We need to reinforce this section first.
Okay, I'll get the wrench for the bolts.
This fender needs more sanding before we prime it.
Okay, I'll clean this side and check for dents.
Good. Let's finish this section tonight. Okay, let's start with the front fender.
Right. I'll get the side trim.
Good. That goes here. Okay, this is the last one on this side.
Great. I'll get the next one.
Perfect. Check the alignment on this mount.
It looks good. Now for the bolts.
Okay, lower it slowly.
Got it. Keep it level.
Almost there.
Okay, down.
Careful, these wires are fragile.
I know. Let's pull it out slowly.
Good. It's coming free. This bolt is really stuck.
Let me try from this side.
Okay, pull it now.
It's coming loose.
Okay, label this fuel line first.
Got it. Here's the label for the vacuum port.
Okay, disconnecting it now.
Careful.
Okay, pull it down now.
Got it. Turning the wrench.
Good. Keep it steady.
Almost there.
Okay, the bolt is loose. Pull it towards you.
Got it. It's coming free now.
Good. I'll take it from here. Hand me the wrench from the floor.
Here you go. Is this the right bolt?
Yes, that's it. Hand me the wrench for this bolt.
Here. Is it loosening?
Yes. Check the alignment now.
Looks good.
Careful with that wiring.
Okay, I've got it.
Good. Now pull it out.
It's out.
Hand me the polishing cloth.
Here you go. The drips are slowing.
Good. Keep the surface wet. See, air pushes it right out.
Yes, the seams are almost dry now.
One more pass should do it.
Pressure's good, but aim more toward the center.
Got it. How's the scrubbing?
Better. Almost done with this section.
This tire is really cracked.
Yeah, and the rim is so rusted.
Let's get this clean.
Almost done.
Hold it steady, the rust is coming off.
Yes, I see it. Keep the pressure.
Look at this pitting.
Yeah, it's coming off.
Pressure is good here.
Watch for the trim.
This rust is tough.
Use both hands here.
Okay, working on it.
Almost clear now. This mud is really stuck on here.
Yeah, but we are making progress.
Let's keep going.
Brush steadily to get the loose rust.
Okay, I'm working on this side.
Good. Let's clear this section.
Almost done here.
This rust is severe. The chassis needs work.
Yes, and the suspension joints are corroded.
Let's check the exhaust. This bolt is really stuck.
Let me try. I'll hold this.
Thanks. It's coming loose.
Okay, good.
This seat is really torn up.
Yes, and the dashboard is cracked.
Let's clear this debris first.
Okay,
The engine mounts look worn. We'll need new ones.
right. And the radiator hoses are cracked.
Okay, let's check the brakes. Look at this pitting.
Yeah, it's coming off.
Pressure is good here.
Watch for the trim.
Okay, this bolt is loosening up.
Good. This screw is almost there.
Alright, let's pull it forward. Okay, let's get this driver's door off.
Alright. The hinges look worn.
Yeah, they're rusted. Help me with the passenger door. Okay, let's detach the front door first.
Right. Watch the rust on the hinge.
Got it. Now for the rear one. This door frame is completely rusted through.
Yes, and the fender has a deep dent.
The rear panel has a hole. Let's get these grinders ready for the next phase.
Okay, I'll handle the sanding. What's the plan?
We'll start with the door panels.
Make sure to get the edges.
Yeah, working on it.
Looks smoother already.
Almost done. Keep sanding, we're exposing the rust.
Okay, but go slow on the edges.
Hand me that clamp.
Here you go. Looks solid.
Yeah, one more pass.
Okay, ready.
This is smoothing out well.
Yeah, the curve is even now.
One more pass.
Looks good.
This side is smoothing out nicely.
Yes, and this edge is almost done.
Great, let's keep it even.
Okay.
Ready? Let's clear this dust.
Yes, go ahead.
Wow, look at that fly off.
Perfect. Now we can prime it. This side is clean. How's the hood?
Almost done. This solvent works great.
Perfect. Let's check for spots.
Alright, let's get this primer on.
Okay, start from the rear.
Looks even. How's the coverage?
Good, but check the edges.
This primer looks even.
Yes, very smooth. Keep it steady.
Will do. Let's check the primer coverage here.
Okay, it looks even. Buff this section.
Right, looks good.
Hand me the wrench.
Here. Is the alignment off?
Yes, a bit. Adjust it.
Okay, checking now. Okay, I've got the prop rod ready to lift.
Ready. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lifting. Watch the hinges.
Got it.